My name is Lilo. I'm a little blue bird. I live in a big, colorful garden full of flowers and butterflies. It's my favorite place. Oh no, the wind is blowing. Leaves are flying everywhere. I feel a little scared. I'm a little shy sometimes, and I get scared easily, but I like to watch the world from my branch. Wait, what's this? A tiny note. It says, "Be brave, my little one. Love, Mommy." I will try. I will be brave. So I sing a little song. La la la. And slowly, I feel better. I'm not so scared anymore. Wow, the sun is shining. The wind is gone. I feel happy and strong. Look, Mommy is back. She's flying gently, and I'm so happy to see her. She hugs me with her wings. I feel safe and loved. Mommy is proud of me. Now I can fly and play in the garden with my friends. I learned something important today. Being brave doesn't mean you're never scared. It means you try, even when you are scared.